everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share a delicious detox juice recipe that's not only refreshing, but also super easy to make. Let's cleanse our bodies and boost our energy. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 2 green apples, 1 cucumber, a handful of spinach, a small piece of ginger juice of 1 lemon water, about 1 cup, and optional, a few mint leaves for that extra freshness. Preparation. Start by washing all your ingredients. Chop the apples and cucumber into smaller pieces to make blending easier. Peel the ginger, and we're ready to go. Blending the juice. Now, toss everything into the blender. Add the chopped apples, cucumber, spinach, ginger, lemon juice, and water. Blend until smooth. Straining. Optional. If you prefer a smoother juice, you can strain it using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth. This step is totally optional, depending on your texture preference. Pour your detox juice into a glass, and if you like, garnish with a mint leaf for that fresh touch. Cheers to your health. This juice is perfect for boosting your metabolism and hydrating your body. Try it out and let me know how it makes you feel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more healthy recipes.